Hello guys, in this video we are going to be adding Pixel to our website. So Pixel helps you to actually track the activities on your website to record sales. Let me show you. So when I go to my ads manager, here you can see all the ads that I'm running currently. This one is on, these ones are off. You can see this one has 26 website purchase, people that bought it. This one has 65 purchase, this one has 1 purchase, 35 purchase, 58%, 109 purchase. All these are purchase, 343 link clicks. And also this is made possible by Pixel, because I have Pixel installed on my website that I'm using to run this ad. So each ad I'm running, Facebook is going to monitor the activities on my website. So I'm going to tell them when to charge me, because I'm running ads for sales and my objective is to make sales, purchase. So they are only going to charge me when I make a purchase. Therefore, they are going to be counting the number of purchases that I make during the ad. All right, so that they will be able to charge me appropriately. As you can see, each sale here cost me 470 naira. For this second one, each sale cost me 391 naira. For this third one, each sale cost me 2,188 naira. So how they will be able to know this is through Pixel. So we need to install Pixel in our website so that they will know when I make a sale. It now depends on you to determine when they can count it as a sale, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that smartly, how to do that in a smart way and not lose a lot of money. So we are going to be creating our pixel here. To create your pixel, just come into this setting, come to your business portfolio setting. Then you're going to see pages, you're going to see data source, all of this information. Then come to data source, open data source, you're going to see pixel. It's same thing as data set, right? So click on pixel. Then it's going to bring you here. Here we don't have any pixel yet. Now pixel is same thing as data set. They've actually moved the pixel information to data set. So we are supposed to click data set, but however, it is still going to direct us to data sets. Click on view data sets. Then here we are. We don't have any pixel here running yet. So I'm just going to click on add pixel. So what is going to be the name of our pixel? Maybe I want to name it smartwatch. PP Elliott. Then I'm going to click on create to create this pixel. Now this pixel has been created, even though it doesn't have any activities on it yet, but we are going to put some activities. So here, the next thing you want to do is to click on these 3 dots here. Then you're going to see open in event manager. Click on open in event manager to be able to connect our website to this particular. So set up improvements for web campaign. You can now optimize more than 8 web events. Okay, fine. I would close that. So this is the event manager here. Here in the event manager, we have different options. You can set up event from a server. If you have a server, if you have a website, you can send up website activities. We can also share data from mobile app. If you're setting up this pixel for your mobile app, then share data stored in a spreadsheet. But what we are interested in is in setup meta pixel. Click on setup meta pixel. Then here, connect website activity using pixel. Select the best method for adding the pixel code to your site. So whichever one that you choose here, you can either install this pixel manually or using a partner if you have WordPress. Of course, we're using WordPress, so we're going to click on check for partners. So here we have WordPress. We'll look for WordPress and then we use it. This is WordPress. So we're going to click on WordPress. When it brings us here, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our plugins and install Facebook plugin. So here we need to install a plugin. So when I go back to our website, we're going to come back to our plugin area. We're going to click on plugins again. Then add new plugin. Here we're going to say Facebook for WordPress. So here, Meta Pixel for WordPress. This one, click on install. So you type Meta Pixel for WordPress is the plugin that we're going to be using to connect our pixel. Of course, it is installed. The next is to activate. Click on activate. Then it is activated. So the next thing we need to do is to come here and click on next. Connect to Facebook. So here we're going to click on setting and then click on Facebook. It says select setting and choose Facebook from the background menu. Then search get started and follow the instruction. So we are just going to come here and click on setting. This is our Meta Pixel. Click on setting. Then it's going to bring you here. Next, we are going to click on get started. This is going to prompt us to log into our account. So I'm going to click on continue to log us into our Facebook account. Then here we are going to click on continue because we are trying to log into our Facebook to connect to our WP account. So I click on continue here. Then I'm going to turn on all activities, so that Pixel can actually track all the activities on our website. So connect as Elliot, yes, I'm going to click this connect. Then next, connect WordPress app for Facebook. So get more website purchase, find new customers, get valued insight and all that. So I'm just going to click on this. Here is the Facebook account, Facebook page, business portfolio. This is the business portfolio. So the Facebook page is this one. You select the Facebook page you want. You have different pages here. So this is the Facebook page you want to connect. We'll connect this one. All right. So we click on next. Skip connection, Instagram. Okay. Next, just click on next. If you have your Instagram connected, of course, but if you don't, just click on next. Then here you want to select your other account. Which other account you want to use? It is this one. Then we'll click on next. Select pixel. Which pixel do you want to connect? Remember the pixel we created, right? This is the one we want to connect. Of course, this is the only pixel we have, but if you have more pixels on your website, it's going to bring up all of those pixels. But this is the only one we just created now, and this is the one we have here. We're just going to click on it, then click on next. So here, Instagram profile. If you already have Instagram profile, you can use it. But if you don't have, you can always add that later. Then the other account is this one, yes. Then the meta pixel is this one. Automatic advanced matching. Then we're just going to activate this one, of course. Then we're going to click on continue. Everything here looks okay. Just leave it the way it is. Then we're going to click on continue. It is now linking our Facebook account to our website. Then we'll continue. Good. So you are all set. Now that you've connected your website to Facebook, you can now help more people to discover your business, find people like you to buy your products and services, measure the result of your action taken on your website. So every action that people take on your website is going to be recorded. All right. So this is amazing. Then create ads. You can now continue to create ads or just click done. We click on done and we are done creating our pixel. This is great. So next here we are going to click on just to so this is our website. This is just to show that we trust this website. All right, so you need to agree to this thing, then click on this agree. So once we tick this box, the next thing is just to click on confirm. Now once everything goes well, you're going to see this particular page connected. All right, so now we head back to our Facebook pixel. So we'll go back to our event manager. Here you can see, let's click on next. Here we need to test our website to make sure that this pixel is working. Then we're just going to put our website URL. So just come here, copy your website URL, then come back to Facebook, paste that pixel here, then click on. So it's going to take you to your website. Then just scroll through, click some buttons, just to track activities. Open this product, maybe add to cart, and then view the cart. Then let's go back to the pixel and make sure it tracks all these events. Then here it is active. As you can see, our pixel is active. This is amazing. So now we can just click on next to set up event. So here we are going to set up event. What event means is that where do you want Facebook to charge you money? Because there are instances when 100 persons may come to our website and the 100 of them will check out our product, but there's no way the 100 of them is going to buy. At the end of the day, it could be just 5 persons that buys. So how do we tell Facebook that it is only 5 people that bought? Please don't charge us for the rest 95. All right. So it is true setting up an event on your website. That event could be a button click, it could be a particular page. Maybe you have a thank you page where someone that places an order will go to after placing the order. So before they get to that thank you page, they must have already placed an order. So Facebook will only charge you when they get to that thank you page. That's the event we're going to be imputing here. So we're not putting the URL of the entire website here, but the URL of the event we want Facebook to track. So we'll simply go to our dashboard here. We are going to go to pages because we want to direct them to a particular page. Remember the page we created that's called thank you page. So we'll go to that page, view page. This is our thank you page. So we want people to come to this page. Facebook is only going to track the activities on this page. So I'm going to copy this page link. What this means is that Facebook will only charge you money for conversion, or Facebook will only record conversion or update you conversion when someone comes to this page. And before anybody comes to this page, they must have definitely placed an order. It's a must, because there's no way you can come to this page without placing an order, right? So that is the only time Facebook will charge us. That's smart. That's really smart, right? So that's how it works. So just come back to our event manager and paste that website URL here. Then we're going to click on open website. It's going to launch that website. And then here you can see, then Facebook is actually still going to ask you which particular event do you want us to track here? Which button should we track? Then here, track new button. Or do you want us to track this entire website? Whenever someone visits here, then that person makes a purchase. It's now up to you. If you want Facebook to track a particular button, then you can add that button. Just come here, click on the button, maybe this one. Only when they click this one, that's when it becomes an event for you. And that is it. So which event should it be? Which event should they call this thing, this button? It is called a purchase. This is a purchase for you. Do you want them to add value or not? So the value is in naira. So this is not really necessary though, but okay, use value for initial checkout. Choose value on page, don't include value. So maybe we don't want to, okay, we can just use this initial checkout, but what we are offering in this page is pay on delivery, so there is no initial checkout. So we are just going to use don't include value, then we'll click on confirm. So what it means is that even if they even visit this place and they do not click on this button, then it's not going to count as a purchase. All right. So you can also choose that once they land on this thank you page, you can use entire track a URL. Then you just put this URL. It means that once they land on this page, it's going to be recorded as a purchase. So it depends on how you want it. Personally, I added my own purchase to be on this button. So whenever any person comes to my website and they tour around the website, navigate, Facebook would only charge me when they come to this thank you page and click on this checkout, right? And this is eventually going to bring them into my WhatsApp. So even if you go to my page and you place an order without coming here to confirm your order, it is not going to be recorded as a sales, and Facebook will not charge me for it. Does that sound like cheating Facebook? No. Okay. It's just the event that I want. So this will also help me to make sure that the number of purchases I'm getting on my Facebook Ads Manager is accurate, because if you don't track it properly, then you're going to be paying more money. So this is really amazing. As you can see, our event is already recorded here. So we can now proceed, come back to our event manager, and then click on next. Test event in the event manager. So this is already confirmed. We can just test it. Let's go ahead and test it. So here is our event manager. Of course, you can see it is connected. Our WordPress is connected here, 100%. And then one active integration. Then here you can also track events. We've added one event already. Page view is recorded. So if we go back to that thank you page, and then we'll scroll around. So I'll just click on finish setup. Then purchase has been recorded to click on finish. We don't want any this thing, so I'll just skip on that, and that is all. When we come back here, we can see that this it has been connected and everything is working well. So this is active and working right now. Any purchase that comes to our website is going to be recorded as an event. So that purchase is definitely going to come from Facebook ads. All right. So guys, this is amazing. Our pixel is 100% working, and it's going to start tracking our events and giving us live reports. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.